What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Outside, about to do some testing and tuning. Well, not really tuning, just mainly testing because the car is already on the power that I want it to be. However, I'm not sure what it's going to do today, as I haven't posted in a minute because I did strip out, not really strip, but break the gearbox housing, or should I say the diff housing that's inside of the gearbox. So I did break that, so I had to pull on the car and get that all fixed, but it's all back together now. I did just take the opportunity to now go ahead and throw in some reinforced gears inside of it. This is not the final product, guys. As you know, I really want to do a full rebuild of the gearbox, in which I went ahead and ordered the other diff for it, in which I should be getting it today. So that should be coming in, but for this setup, I might run it for now where the gearbox is concerned, because I've done a few passes, and as I said, it's reinforced gears, so I won't be stripping any gears soon. For the diff housing, I managed to seal that up very good, so now I'm out here to do a few test passes to see what's going to happen. Not really looking for any miracle times right now, but the last time the car was out, it did a 3.4 at 45 miles per hour, and that was with barely turning up the car. But with the 132 stretch, guys, it's like you have to ramp in the power and bring in the power at the right time for the track, and sometimes different days give you different time results depending on the conditions. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get some pulls in. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and stay tuned. Okay, guys, so the first real good pass for the day. So many issues, technical difficulties and stuff. So I don't know if you can see 3.5 at 42. Yeah, and the car is hardly turned up, so we're gonna let it cool down and do another one. So there you go, guys, 3.4. Just by making some changes on the remote, managed to pull off a 3.4. I don't know if you guys can see it, but 3.4 at 41 miles per hour, which ain't bad. Well, guys, that's it for today's test session. I managed to clock a 3.4, which ain't bad, because as I said, the car is a little bit turned down, so we still managed to do well on that. I remember when 3.5 used to be my curse number, so to speak. because we all know in drag racing, you know, when you reach a certain point, it now comes on to certain adjustments to get you in the lower times. Sometimes it doesn't always mean more power. So you know, that's where we're gonna leave it for today, guys. 3.4. I think the fastest time was 3.4. I think 10 or 50, something like that. But that's it, guys. We're gonna leave it for there for now. This diff is not the best. I know that when I put in the other diff, it should be way better. But you know, not too disappointed with the results, guys. As I say, you know, these tires are quite let's say meaty, and you have to ramp in the power properly. And as you can see, 132 feet is not a very long stretch, and to get a car of this size up to 45-46 miles per hour on that small stretch with these tires is not easy, guys. So take some dialing in. So stay tuned and look out for our next video, guys.